For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Ufree Beard Trimmer for Men is a complete grooming solution designed for precision, versatility, and convenience. Whether you need to trim your beard, mustache, nose hair, or body hair, this all-in-one grooming kit has the tools to keep you looking sharp. With multiple attachments, a waterproof design, and a long-lasting battery, it's a reliable choice for everyday grooming needs. Multifunctional grooming kit for all manscaping needs. This grooming kit includes 6 different trimmer heads, allowing you to customize your grooming routine. Whether you're maintaining facial hair, trimming nose and ear hair, or handling sensitive areas like the groin, this trimmer is built for all grooming needs. The kit also includes 5 guide combs, 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, 12mm, and adjustable sideburn combs, making it easy to achieve your desired hair length. It's not just for men, this versatile trimmer is suitable for both men and women. Waterproof design for easy cleaning and shower use. This trimmer allows for both wet and dry use. You can use it in the shower for a more comfortable shave or dry for quick touch-ups. Cleaning is simple, just detach the blade and rinse it under running water. A cleaning brush is included for added convenience. To prolong its lifespan, allow the trimmer to dry naturally after washing. High-performance stainless steel blades for a smooth trim. The Ufree Beard Trimmer is equipped with high-performance stainless steel blades that provide a precise trim without pulling or irritation. The R-shaped 360-degree skin-friendly blade is designed to minimize friction and protect sensitive skin. Whether you're shaping your beard or trimming body hair, the sharp yet safe blade ensures a clean and even cut. This makes the trimmer suitable for personal grooming at home or professional use in a barbershop. Long battery life and LED display for convenience. This rechargeable trimmer comes with a powerful lithium-ion battery, providing 90 minutes of continuous use on just a 1.5-hour charge. The LED display keeps you informed of the remaining battery life and reminds you when it's time to charge. This feature ensures that you never run out of power unexpectedly, making it a practical choice for home and travel use. Powerful motor with 2 speed modes. A high-performance motor delivers a fast and smooth trimming experience. The trimmer features 2 speed modes, allowing you to adjust the power based on your grooming needs. Despite its strong motor, the device operates at a low noise level, providing a quiet and comfortable trimming experience.